Have you ever wondered what the legal name of Smartsheet is? So you're not alone. Many people are curious about the company behind this popular productivity tool. In this video, we'll answer the question, what is the legal name of Smartsheet, and provide some other interesting facts about the company. The legal name of Smartsheet is Smartsheet Incorporated. The company was founded in 2006 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Smartsheet is a publicly traded company, and its stock is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the symbol SMRX. Smartsheet is a leading provider of cloud-based collaboration and work management software. The company's products are used by millions of people around the world to manage projects, tasks, and workflows. In addition to its main product, Smartsheet also offers a number of other products and services, including Smartsheet for Education, Smartsheet for Government, Smartsheet for Healthcare, Smartsheet for Nonprofit, Smartsheet for Professional Services. Smartsheet is a growing company with a bright future. The company has been recognized for its innovation and has received numerous awards, including Gartner Magic Quadrant for Cloud-Based Work Management, Forrester Wave, Enterprise Work Management Platforms, G2 Leader in Enterprise Work Management. So there you have it. The legal name of Smartsheet is Smartsheet Incorporated. The company is a leading provider of cloud-based collaboration and work management software. Smartsheet is a growing company with a bright future. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.